spice plantation.
Thank you.
ये पानी पी रहा है खा था वो यहाँ
Too strong.
So before we start with the tour, I'll give a short idea about this plantation. The total area of this plantation is 50 acres of land. But don't worry, I'll not take you there 50 acres of land. But here we have a small demo plot. The mixture of all the spices together is for the demo. Now it is 35 years old plantation. From last 15 years it is open for the tourism. Now in this plantation you will not find one spice being growing. That is the most expensive spice. Because here in Goa the climate is not suitable for growing that spice. Any guess for it?
Saffron?
Yes, saffron. In India you will find it in only northern parts of the country, that is in Kashmir and all. But it is very
Saffron is here. No, he's saying that you only find that one.
It can grow anywhere, I think plains also.
it goes very easily.
Yeah.
Now from the roots we extract oil. Now this oil is very good for the skin problems like black spots, open pores, acne pimples, and even for antidepressant. We take 2 to 3 drops of lemongrass oil and mix it with over about 10 to 15 drops of only almond oil, because it is rich in vitamins for the skin. And this mixture applied on the face before you go to sleep, continuous for 1 month. Get rid of all this problem. But it's not a permanent product. Another in 8 to 10 months we have to take it up. From that aloe vera plant.
What do you make?
Make a gel.
The gel is already inside.
No,
We
there's
don't
some
make
process
it.
for it.
That's how you make
I get some juice from this plant.
Okay, turn on.
Now here we see banana grass. And it gives bananas only once. Then we cut the whole grass and throw it away.
Yeah.
What do you mean?
बनाना एक ही
Yeah, it gives bananas only one time.
Oh, is that right?
Yeah. And how we get a new banana plant? When we start giving the bananas, it always gives a dot on each tree.
Oh, is that right?
Yeah.
Oh.
And this we use it as a thread for making garlands and all, the one which you are wearing.
Oh, is that right?
Yeah. It's thread.
Oh, what a strong tree is it?
Bitter nut.
Gives another tree.
Supari. And the reason for growing these trees in the plantation is that these trees grow very tall. For now they create a structure like umbrella, thus giving shade in the plantation.
Acha.
This is a nut.
Oh, it
That's
falls.
a ready nut.
Okay. And
Now
then
we have to dry it in the sun. Then drying this nut, peeling the skin becomes easier. Inside we get a nut. So we make pieces of this nut, small pieces, and along with some tobacco, roll it in a leaf like this. That's called pan here.
oh, I see. Okay.
Well, for the digestion also.
Okay.
And if you have it in bigger quantities, it takes
That's the dry one.
Right, like
All the other.
yes.
Okay.
And it doesn't give any branches and all. And many it stops giving the bitter nuts, we cut the whole tree. And the wood is timber for making small huts and all. And here in villages, people make small foot bridges of this wood, very strong, but doesn't remain more than 2 years. After 2 years, we have to change the wood.
Wow.
Now here we see the hottest spice. That is
Pepper?
no
What is chili?
chili. The name of the chili is piri piri,
Piri piri.
also called as Portuguese chilies. First when Portuguese had come down here in Goa, they had brought these chilies along with
Is
them.
that the small size?
Yeah, very small.
Very small.
When they are ready, they turns to red color.
Yeah.
Here
What
we see.
Thai chili we
covered
see
this red one.
The Thai chili is the same thing, do you know?
Oh, no, it's different chili.
Okay.
Now these chilies are 2,800 times hotter than the normal chilies.
Is that right?
Yeah. If you eat one chili, you'll start dancing. Bananas are not ready. When these bananas are ready, they will turn into red color. But we
these
cannot
are
eat these
banana?
bananas. Red
Nahi
color,
lena.
ornamental one. The garden banana. Not real banana. It's just for the show. We cannot eat these bananas. When ready, turns to red color. Just to grow.
They're not figs, right? Fig नहीं है ना? Fig नहीं होता.
Figs तो अंजीर होती है, round and round होती
Round नहीं है, fig
ये
भी.
कौन सा प्लांट है ये वाला?
It's just a flower plant called ginger flowers.
जिंजर फ्लावर.
Comes in different colors.
इसमें
But
जिंजर
not the
नहीं
ginger
होता.
plant.
है. Not the ginger
Only
plant.
the flower is named as the ginger flower. The one which we the cardamom bananas.
Cardamom.
Now here you see a bush. I'll give you a small piece of the
ये
leaf.
तो black pepper लगता है.
No,
Yes, no.
just take the smell and pass it on. Yes.
Cardamom. Green cardamom.
No.
ये तो
Go
lemon.
back, mama.
It's lemony.
It
Camera
will give
में
different
leaves?
smell.
bay leaf.
Bay leaf.
Oh my goodness, it's very
Cardamom.
strong.
Very strong. From this we make garam masala,
Ah.
hot spice, and it is called allspice.
Oh, it has all spice.
Allspice. Now when we make garam masala, we collect various masalas
yeah.
like cinnamon, cardamom, cloves, nutmeg, black pepper,
yes.
and the mixture gives a
Right.
strong masala.
Right.
But here there is no need to collect
Wow.
I
all
know,
this
that's
masala.
what it smells
It
like.
gives the berries here, brown in color. So these berries and the leaves, we crush it, make powder of it, dry it. It gives a very strong masala from the single bush.
अच्छा. Come on, smell करके देखो.
अभी करता हूँ.
Now on this coconut tree, you see a creeper,
Yeah.
a climber, and some tiny balls hanging here, green in color.
Yeah.
They are
Pepper.
yes, pepper. And pepper is called the king of spice because it is the first spice discovered all over the world. And it was very expensive once upon a time. People used to call it black gold. Now everybody grows pepper and it's very cheaply available. The value has come down. Now from the same creeper we get 4 kinds of pepper. That is green, red, white and black.
Oh, you get white also.
Yeah. Now if you need green pepper, so what do you do? Harvest them when they are about to mature.
Okay.
Green in color. And soak it
Photo
in a
ले,
salty
उधर से
water. And keep it for about 8 to 10 days. Then dry it in the shade, not in the sunlight. The color will remain green. Now green pepper are mostly used for making pickles and all.
Oh, I've never seen green pepper.
Most in foreign country they use.
We can
Now-
crush it. We can crush it also.
Just hammer it.
Yeah.
And for the gas problem, sometimes we go and sit in the toilets for hours without giving any results.
Yeah.
But if you make tea
Constipation.
from this black pepper, the next day will come out of toilet
Can
without
मैं add
flying
कर दूंगी
color.
अपनी टीम में?
Ah, okay.
I add everything. Gloves. सब कुछ डाल.
नहीं पर सारा बहुत सारा भी
नहीं डॉली मैं
इंटरैक्ट करता
you know
है.
how much I eat? ये देखो इतना होता है मेरा इतना चाय. हमारी ऊपर से पानी डलता है बिल्कुल.
So the famous drink of Goa, that is alcohol.
हाँ.
You all know?
Yeah.
Yeah.
काजू डिस्टिलरी है.
जो हमको अभी सर्व करा आपने वो
Yeah, वही. And finally we make from cashew fruit, also from coconut. Now cashew feni is more popular here in Goa. Now how we get cashew feni?
Phone.
Now it's not the season here for the cashew fruits. Season is February, March, April and May.
Right.
We get the cashew fruit. But here we have the model of the cashew fruit.
Okay.
And cashew is
बाद में
originally
करूँगा.
from Brazil.
बाद में.
And it gives the nut always outside the fruit.
Yes.
First we separate the nut when it is ready. And the nut we send to the factories for further process where they open it from the shell
Right.
and the inside nut which we get in the market. From the shell they extract oil, which is used for painting canoes, so that it remains for a longer period of time. Even the pod will not smell.
स्मेल ही नहीं है इसमें.
It's like a French bean. And when the tip of the pod turns to yellow color, that means ready for harvesting. Now we harvest it. And drying process is very tough, very tedious. We have to dry 2 hours a day, early in the morning. Again late in the evening for 2 hours. Then end of the day, you can try vanilla sticks in the woolen cloth.
That's okay.
Neil, you'll have to go from.
Yeah,
Look
you
how
get a
it's going.
better view.
Wow.
Oh my goodness.
It's a traditional way of harvesting the bitter nuts.
उधर चला गया.
Yeah, I got.
I'm on.
He's still going.
We have to climb till top of the tree where there are bitter nuts.
Oh, look at that.
What is he
Remove the
doing?
bunch.
Did you see what did he do?
Huh? He's
पैर में वो
पाँव में
रस्सी.
फंसा के.
Yeah. Remove the bunch of the bitter nuts, throw it on the ground, and then he bends the tree like this. Very flexible, very strong too.
Then he goes to the next
And
tree.
then
he
he
goes
moves
to the next.
like a monkey on another tree. So from one tree to another tree, no need to come down every time, wasting
बार
time.
बार ऊपर जाना नहीं.
Wow.
Here he saves lot of time.
Oh my goodness. He must be a healthy man.
Yeah, he's healthy. And it is very difficult, but this man used to do this job when he was very young boy. That's why he
He's
can
there
still.
with you people for a long time.
What is his age right
He's
now?
54 years old.
No way.
Can't believe?
He's my age. My age. I can't go up the tree.
Slim, कितना slim है ना? What does he eat? Same food.
Yeah, the same food.
He clapped.
Clap.
Rice
Very
curry.
good. Very good.
Chapati
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Nowadays, what people do, they take one big bamboo stick and on top of it fix a cutter
And then they
just
cut
pull
it.
the bitter nuts.
Yeah.
Shortcut. Read,
Yeah.
make one
One
ear.
ear.
3 rings. You all can take the photo with Tarzan.
Go,
Yeah,
go,
let's
go.
Stand
take a
next to the
picture.
Tarzan.
तू ले.
Up low.
Oh,
So you
Here
go
to
through.
click.
Yeah.
okay.
See in the small hole. Come near. Come on.
हाँ.
I let them do whatever they want on the phone.
Next time you all can come with your kids. Man.
Yeah.
I know. Well, I live in the U.S.
Come every year.
Yes.
Now this single trick used 2 spices. Any guess?
2 spices?
Yeah.
Can I smell it?
The smell will not help you.
Smell will not help.
Let's
है
see.
नहीं,
Let's
smell ही
see.
नहीं है. Smellless.
दालचीनी दालचीनी
Dalchini, I showed you.
दालचीनी तो हो गया.
ये तेज पत्ता तो नहीं.
Okay, I'll give you a clue. It gives a fruit like a lemon. And when it is ready, it breaks open into 2 shells. And inside we see these 2 spices. It looks
pink color.
red in color.
Yeah, we've seen.
And this
gives
flour
color.
dried and then we use it as a spice in the
spices
kitchen.
are now.
Now from the
Pickles
same
में डालते
red color flour, we make tear gas, which policemen use. The spray from this flour. And the nut is good for gout problem, formation of water in the knees. Take a ginger paste and crush this nutmeg on a stone with the lime juice. And this paste what we get applied on the knees for 1 month. Then take a gap of 1 month because it's very hot. Again start for another 1 month. So like this 6 months in 1 year you have to use it. It absorbs the water from the knees. Now it's also Indian Viagra, stimulant only for the men, not for the ladies. You must have noticed in most of the Indian movies during the wedding night, the mother-in-law always
Yeah.
comes with a cup of
Cup
milk.
of milk with
Inside
the
it, they put some
nutmeg.
tiny saffron and the
Yeah.
nutmeg powder and gives to the son-in-law.
Man.
That could be a secret reason I can say for Indian highest population.
Exactly. That is neat. So ये कहाँ where do you see this nut? How does
this
it
tree is not.
how does it appear?
It's
As
like
a flower?
No.
No,
it's
it'll
like a
appear
lemon.
like this.
First
Okay.
it gives flower, then turns to like
Acha.
a fruit like lemon.
Okay.
When ready, only then it is break
Okay.
open.
And
into
what
2
season
shells.
would that be?
It's now the season. Yeah.
So
There
another
are some
already
already started.
harvested.
Plant. We use only the leaves in cooking. See, we get some smell now. Type of rice.
But they say betel nut is not good for throat, right?
Yeah. Too much consumption of betel nut may lead to
Cancer.
mouth cancer.
And little bit.
ये भी
Takes
बीटल
your
नट
eye
है बेटे
like a
ले लो
drug.
ये देख
ये लो आप तो ले ही लो ये लो
Very easy to grow.
ये ये आगे
नहीं
ब्राउन
कैंसरस होता पान नहीं खाते नहीं हम जो
और आगे वाला
ये बीटल नट ही तो है
ना क्वालिटी उसका अच्छा नहीं रहेगा.
मुकच्चा है।
खराब हुआ अंदर से.
हाँ see
वो कह रहे हैं ये सीजन बारिश ज्यादा होने से खराब हो गया।
okay step down
And it's very easy to grow. Just put it in the ground.
Wait, that is
very
betel
easily.
nut?
yeah
What is it good for?
it's not good for anything
Oh,
betel
it's
nut
not good for anything.
Okay, club. That's
It's
a
good
club.
for the digestion.
Now, what were you saying? When it becomes a flower, it's
We
useless.
have to harvest it when it is a bud. If
You
it
burn
turns
your
into
bud.
flower, then it is useless.
Yeah.
Good for the toothache. Whenever there's toothache, take one claw and keep it within the tooth.
Yeah.
Keep it fresh for 5 minutes. The pain will come down. The
Yeah.
next day you can visit the dentist if required. Now you see tiny ball on top of the claw, a round ball.
right
Yeah.
From that ball, they extract oil. Now this oil is used for making mosquito repellent. Or at home also you can use the oil. Take a piece of cotton and put some drops on it and keep it in the corner of the room. Keeps the mosquitoes away. Yeah.
The whole room?
clove oil
No, only in the corner
Club
of the
oil को
room.
पानी में डाल के
cotton में डाल के रख दो
Yeah.
हाँ that's a better repellent
How do we keep it?
On a piece
Cotton.
of cotton. Some drops on it.
राउंड ऊपर जो बॉल है
Essence.
not the ball the oil
Yeah, the oil.
Oil.
Oil from the clove.
Now, whenever you buy clothes in the market, you have to be careful because sometimes they extract the oil from this ball and sell it in the market.
How do we know if it has oil? How do we know it's already has
So if you
oil?
find this ball in blackish color, that means the oil has been removed.
if it's brownish greenish
It will be brownish. Like.
देखिए यही चीजें हैं।
And in,
तुम कहते हो वही मसाले मिलते हैं ये वाले
during
थोड़ी
Christmas
मिलते हैं।
time and all, we use this cloth for decorative purpose. We take one orange fruit and pierce all around this cloth.
yeah that's also a mosquito repellent they say
Yeah,
yeah
keeps the mosquitoes away.
दीदी मैंने आपको बताया था
Here we have local cigarettes. We call them BD.
बीड़ी
Sir, business of Tarzan. And how he makes the bidi? Just banana leaf and a normal tobacco on it. Just roll it.
so what is tobacco leaf where do you see
It's a Tarzan brings one is one.
oh I see
It's small business like.
इंग्लिश की
You will like to smoke?
no I won't would you want
You.
ये root ये जो अभी
Yeah, it's a root.
ये हमको दिखाना
नहीं मैं तो पीछे ही है.
वही मिल जाती है वहाँ।
Okay, you just plant the same. You break it and you just put it down,
Put it down and cover it with the mud.
Will
and it grows. It expands.
okay wait let him finish he said something when you go
As the root grows,
Huh.
it gives a bush. And the bush is like this, very small. And inside the soil, a small root will form a big pulp. And when it is ready for harvesting, what will happen? The leaves will die like this. Now these are all ready for harvesting. And inside this soil, we see the roots. Then we remove it and boil it in water. And then we dry it in the sun. It becomes very strong, very hard. And only then we make powder of it. Now this turmeric powder is very good antiseptic. Say you are walking in a kitchen. With a knife you are doing something, cutting something. Accidentally you get a cut. Blood is flowing. No need to run anywhere. Just get a pinch of turmeric powder and put it on the wound. The blood will stop flowing immediately. Good antiseptic. Now it's also good for the ladies, the lady problem. During the menstrual cycle there is a pain. Take 1 spoon of honey and half pinch of turmeric powder and have 2 spoons a day. The pain will stop. Good for lady. It's also good for facial to look more beautiful, to glow your
face
skin.
pack yeah
Yeah, cup of milk cream, turmeric powder, mix it well and apply it on the face. Keep it for 15
Mix
to 20
with what?
minutes. Turmeric powder and the milk cream.
milk cream
cream
That's all. And apply it on the face. And have to wash it within 10 to 15 minutes. If you go to sleep without washing your face, the next day you will find all yellow like a dirty fellow.
right okay so some people eat this fresh also
Yeah, we make powder of it. Mostly people use powder. And when we
Okay.
take gold berries and on the back, the backbone comes to the normal position.
did you hear that Neil?
Here our workers, when they finish the work, they go and jump in the river. But I cannot suggest you all to go and jump in the river. Instead of that, a small cup of water.
Water.
And in this water, we put some oil called citronella. It's good for the mosquito bite.
चलो. Go. Stand.
on the back right
Yes.
Wow, that's my hand.
Just turn your back.
Mercy.
Here, give me this and this.
We have to do it.
Yeah, it's a tradition.
It's fun.
It felt very nice. All fresh.
Grab.
Way back now.
It's on. ओहो, ये तो
Spine सीधी हो गई।
निकलेगा कहाँ से?
Spine सीधी हो गई।
I told you it's cold.
Spine सीधी हो गई।
You have to take the camera.
Ah. Ah. Okay, let's see you
The
shout.
daring one.
Okay, we're done.
दीदी को भी कराओ.
Yeah, oh, we have to wait for her.
वो करा देगा कहता है.
Make sure Mother Masi.
Coconut.
रेनू की सारी कंट्री पे बारी.
Now here are some complimentary gift for you. A small souvenir. A mixture of spices.
Thank you.
We have our email address on the other side. Some betel nut here, the nutmeg, cashew nut, and the cinnamon stick, cardamom, black pepper,
What is this red thing? Chili.
the red chili.
Is that the hot one?
That is not the one. It is small. Where it is here, it is peri peri chili.
Oh, piri
It's
piri.
always small.
Okay.
Your money. Thank you.
Yeah, drop out.
This is for you.
हाँ दे रही है.